Hi guys! Welcome to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss step by step how to use the AI photo effects feature in the CapCut app. Okay, let's get straight to the tutorial. The AI photo effects are one of the new features. Therefore, the first thing you have to do is update the CapCut app to the latest version. After making sure your CapCut app is the latest version, now create a new project, then add a photo of you to it. Next, open the Effects menu and select the AI Effects feature. To try this feature for free, you are only given 6 tries. Here, there are 4 types of AI effects provided by CapCut, so choose one of them. You can also choose and use one of the prompts that are currently popular here. Apart from that, you can also enter your own prompt in this box. Tap Generate and wait for the application process to take place. Well, here the CapCut app will provide for generated results. You can tap Adjust, then adjust the intensity. You can read here, the higher the intensity you set, the generated results will be based on the prompt, rather than your original photo. Tap Apply, and you're done. Now, you have successfully used AI photo effects in the CapCut app for free 6 times. Easy, right? So, I hope this video is useful. And thank you for watching.